morning, everyone. We actually didn't say goodnight last night. Isabella went to sleep really easily. It was a long day for her, and she woke up late today, which
late,
was,
7:45.
well, that's late for her. So that was good. And now we are on our way for breakfast. It's already 9:50.
8:50.
Oh, 8:50. Oh, sorry. Okay, that's not that bad. 8:50. Okay. And you want to say hi? Hi. You say,
Today we are moving hotels.
yes, we are. She knows the way. She already figured it out. She's very good at directions.
But before we leave this hotel, let's go get breakfast.
Thank
And then
you.
explore the hotel.
Oh, she wants to hit the button. That's what she wants to do. Push it. Good job, Isabella. But we're gonna go eat breakfast now at
All-Star Food Courts.
Yeah, we had lunch there yesterday and it was good. So let's go eat breakfast, right? Let's go. And look at this little window decorated. So cool. So here's my breakfast. I got eggs, potatoes, Mickey waffle. Isabella's all set up. She has her Mickey waffle and also a yogurt smoothie, some milk she got. Yeah. And also she got some apple slices too for later, right? So a lot of food, right? Good breakfast, you like it? Do you like your Mickey waffle? Oh, and she also has Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs she's playing with. David also got the bouncy platter. I just gave him my bacon because I don't like bacon. And yeah. Do you like your bouncy platter? Is it good? Mickey waffle. Isabella's eating her Mickey waffles too.
Double Mickey waffles.
Yeah. Isabella, do you like your Mickey waffles? You approve of them? That's good. Here's where you get your food. You can't go up to the different stations anymore because of COVID. So they do it a little bit differently. That's how it looks. You order over here and then you pick it up when it's ready. You got a beeping thing to pick it up. So here is the check-in area to the left. Yeah, it's under refer. Oh, you need your camera? Okay, I'll get it for you. And here is Donald's Double Feature. It's a store.
Number 1.
In the All-Star movies.
Best store.
And different movies here. And Isabella needs her camera. So this is the Fantasia area of All-Star movies. It's a nice pool area. Got Mickey Mouse with water squirting out. Very pretty. And there's the brush from Fantasia over there. Here's the directory for All-Star movies. You have Dalmatians, Mighty Ducks, Fantasia, Love Bug, Toy Story. All right, let's go, Isabella. Isabella has her camera. She's ready to take pictures, right, Isabella? Here's the brooms from Fantasia. See the brooms, Isabella? Ooh, look at that over there. Yeah. Oh, this is cool, Isabella. This is good to take a picture of. This is the Fantasia hat. And more brooms on this side for Fantasia.
Let me take a picture.
Isabella keeps saying, let me take a picture with this. She's very into taking pictures. See? She's gonna be a videographer or a photographer, I should say, when you grow up, right? Isabella, look over here. Who's that? Donald and Daisy. We gotta take a picture with them. Okay, let's take a picture. So here's the whole Fantasia area. So this is all Fantasia. Very cool. Very, very cool. And Isabella's saying to come to the Love Bug area. And this is the Love Bug area. Yeah. It's cool, right? You gonna take a picture with the car? Okay. Look at her running. She's so excited. This is nice. I like this. I like this hotel. I don't know, we're having a very good experience here, so I'm very happy with the hotel. So you can see all the decor. Very nice. Isabel's running to take a picture with this now. The love bug. So let me take a picture of her with it. We checked out the love bug area, and now we're gonna head back through Fantasia area to go to the Dalmatians area. The 101 Dalmatians. And right next to the Fantasia area is the Dalmatian area. The 101 Dalmatians. So let's head to it. I see a fire hydrant. And the puppies, you see the puppies? Come on, let's go see them, she said. She's very excited. Isabella, wait for mommy. You're going too fast. There's a fire hydrant and the 101 Dalmatians all along the sides of the hotel. Yeah. Oh, this is cute. I like this area. Look at Pongo. There's Pongo. All the way up there. And on this side is Perdita. And over here next to Pongo is this little area. And Isabella just went behind the TV. She's trying to be seen. But very cute, very well themed. There she is. And now we are exiting the Dalmatians area and heading to where we stayed, the Mighty Ducks area. It says Duck Pond Pool over there. Yeah. And there's a hockey puck. So that's very cool. Then you have the hockey sticks all around. Isabella pointed out over here that they have the, what is this called? The scoreboard here. And then over here is the pool. You have Goofy in the net playing hockey. So here it says locker rooms, and you have Donald's, Ducks, and Daisies. So that's cool. Very cool. There's Daddy. There's Daddy. He just put all our stuff in the car. We're gonna be checking out. She's been taking a ton of pictures. She decided to take off her ears though. I don't know why. She said she didn't want to wear them anymore. Maybe it's a little hot for them. I think it's a little hot for them. But this area is very cool. There's Goofy over there playing hockey. So for the Mighty Ducks region, the staircase is a net, a goal net. So very cool. And for the Dalmatians area, it's a fire hydrant. So they just theme things really well. Right next to the hockey stick is the hockey puck too, with the Mighty Duck helmet. This is the Mighty Duck helmet.
Goalie helmet.
Goalie helmet. Very cool.
You want to take a picture with it?
She wants to take a picture with it. Look over here, it's the Toy Story area.
Infinity.
And beyond. You see, you're gonna take pictures?
Wait,
The evil queen, Isabella. The evil queen's not here.
You don't have to worry about that. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, this is awesome. Let's go in here, Isabella. And look at this area. Wow, look at this. This is cool. The evil queen's mean. This is pretty cool. I see something that you will like, Isabella. I see a Buzz and Woody. I see Buzz and Woody. Let's go see them. Wanna go see them?
I see Jessie.
You see Jessie? I don't know about Jessie, but I see Buzz and Woody. Look at the decoration on the side of the building. Very nice. Toy soldiers on the top. They're protecting the building. And then you have Rex over there and some blocks, some big blocks. Isabella's going this way, so she's saying, come on, let's go. She wants to see what's in here, right? Wow, there's Buzz Lightyear to the rescue. And Woody. Very cool. I think we should take some pictures, Isabella. What do you think? Isabella just found Bo Peep. Very cool. Very neat. And over there are some checkers. Oh, Woody. She's getting all excited. The blocks spell the characters' names. And Isabella found this little car right outside. You want to go in the car, Isabella, and take a picture? We are back in the car. We are leaving All Star Movies Resort. How did you like the resort?
Very nice.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Isabella likes taking pictures.
Where she gets that from.
Yeah, I can't imagine where she'd get that from.
I was very impressed with the hotel. I really like the theming of it. We didn't check out Toy Story until the very end.
Yes.
But I really like that one. And over to our right is Disney's Animal Kingdom.
Oh, yes.
But we're not going there now.
No, we're not going there now, but
From
we
somewhere else.
are going to Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Yeah, we're going to Dumbo House. We're changing hotels. So hopefully it'll be good. We're supposed to have a view of the animals. We've never had anything like that before.
Would have been a surprise.
No.
I didn't even know.
Oh, I'm sorry. So let's see how it is. Welcome home, Jumbo.
I do like these masks, but I'm afraid contemporary switch their masks to these too when you're kids.
Oh yeah.
I like the
I
contemporary.
didn't think about that.
Maybe I should take
We haven't even been there yet.
Not yet.
So crazy.
We have to go.
Yeah, we definitely do. It's dark in here. Jumbo, everyone. This is our new hotel.
Leveled by the,
It's our hotel, Isabella. Isn't it cool?
It's cool, right?
Got a bridge. You might like this place.
We are now heading to our room. 50. Yeah, it's actually a lion, but we won't tell her. It's a tiger. She says the tiger's so cute. She just got it in the shop at Dumbo House. And she loves Simba. So we have to go to 5353. That's our room. And yeah. So let's see.
Oh, that's the other. There's Kidani.
Oh yeah, there's Kidani. And there's a giraffe there.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. There's a giraffe by the tree. That is so cool.
They did animals out there.
Oh my god, so cool.
Should we tell the front desk?
Oh, you're picking it up so you can see? That's very nice. Is this a cool hotel, Isabella? This is a cool hotel, right? Here's our room. It says Disney Vacation Club on the top. And let's go in. So we finally got in our room through the app. Our magic bands aren't working for the room. But here is the area where you get ready. Over here. Here is the potty room and the shower. And a microwave. And a coffee maker. And a sink, which is nice. You see the giraffe? Oh boy, so cool. Over here's our bed. We have to come outside to see the giraffe. And then, yeah, it's nice. It's really nice they're outside just looking. Yeah, nice. Okay, let's go outside with them and see what we see.
You don't know how to speak to giraffe?
You see the giraffe? Where's the giraffe? Come here, giraffe. Don't be shy.
We won't scare you. Trick or treat. Is that cool or what?
I think he's walking away from us, but there's our view. Look, we see another animal. And there's the giraffe coming back.
Right there.
Oh my gosh, another giraffe. Oh my god. Look at all these giraffes. They're all coming to see. Oh, you need to go get your camera? Okay, go get your camera. Oh my goodness, they're all coming to say hi. This is so cool. This is so nice. I love this. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, look at this giraffe.
Hello.
Hey giraffe, I love giraffes. They're so cute. Now there's another giraffe and another giraffe over there. Two giraffes over here just roaming around. So cool. Oh my goodness. Isabella, look at this. They're all together, all three of them. You see them? cheese. They're so, look, there's another one coming too. They're all just, look, they're like, they're posing for you, David. They're posing for your picture. So here's Isabella's bed set up. I actually didn't show it last night, but we got bed rails from the resort, and we just put bed rails all around, and yeah, it's safe for her now, so she could sleep right here and she won't fall off the bed. So yep, so we got it all set up for you, right? All done. Perfect, right? Perfect. You ready to go to explore some more? You want to tell everyone what you saw outside while we were waiting for your bed rails? What did we see?
I need to see things.
You saw what? Giraffes, right? Very cool. So, Isabella, where are we? We're in the marketplace, right? The place Mara, it's called, I think. Yeah, the Mara. And we just ordered some food. And Isabella's just here playing with her little toys. She loves like these little kind of toys, and we saw these Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs toys, so we definitely were like, oh, let's get them for her, right? And she's having fun playing with them. She has her little lion there too, so she's just waiting for her food to come, right? And this place is really empty right now. There's really no one here, so that's nice that there is really no one here right now. It is the middle of the day, so I guess most people are at the parks. But we just decided to stay in today and not go to the parks. This morning we'll go in the afternoon though, right? So I got a falafel dish at the Mara. Hummus, some other thing here, I don't know what that is. Falafel, pita bread. Isabella has her little meal here. She's got her chicken fingers, right? Are they good? Are you enjoying them? Yeah, and the dip too. Yeah.
Ketchup.
So yeah, the ketchup. So, and David got the falafel, the same thing as me. Finished with lunch. It's about 2 o'clock right now.
2:10.
2:10, yeah, and we're heading to Magic Kingdom now.
Ready to start today.
Yeah. It takes us a little bit of time to get things
It didn't always.
done. No, yeah, Isabella makes she makes it more fun. That's what she makes it.
Magical.
Yeah, she makes it more magical. Anyway, we're going to Magic Kingdom now. We're gonna park the car. We're hoping to stay for fireworks tonight, but we'll see what happens. And yeah, we'll see what
Hopefully
we can
one
do.
of us takes a nap.
Yeah, hopefully. Alright, let's see. We are now on the monorail on our way to Magic Kingdom. How do you feel about that? Excited? Good. Do you know what color we're on? Silver. On the silver monorail. It says monorail silver. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, wow. There's the 50th anniversary one. Only the gold one's decorated like that, right?
Yes, that would make sense.
Yep. And here it is. We're passing the Magic Kingdom. There it is. Yay! We did it. We're here.
Hey! What? Why can't Cinderella play soccer? Why? She keeps running away from the ball.
Hey!
What?
What does Ariel use to wash her bin?
What?
Tide.
Tempted to see what this cheaper numbers thing is. It's online.
Oh, that's it. A 1, 2, 3, 4.
You see him?
M-O-U-S-E. Hey, they're high, they're low, they always fall from as can be. M-I-C-K.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wait, bye-bye. We are in Magic Kingdom now, and we just saw the Dapper Dans, and Isabella enjoyed watching them for sure. There's a beautiful castle. Look, Isabella, look over there. Wow, say hi. Say hi.
Aladdin.
Oh, Mary Poppins. You see Mary Poppins?
That's Mary Poppins.
Isabella, is that cool? Yeah. Who else is coming, Isabella? Who is that? Hey, wave! There's the castle from the side, so pretty. Absolutely beautiful.
She's gonna push you. Yeah.
Look at the castle, Isabella.
I want to try to get the castle.
You see it? It's so pretty, isn't it? Yeah. Look how pretty it is. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Look, it's the stepsisters, Cinderella stepsisters.
They already said they're princesses.
How can you? I want to see.
Over here.
I see her.
What do you think?
Just laughing.
Where's your glass slippers?
She lost her shoe. I told her to put a strap on it. Yeah, she lost her. You can't break it in glass. You can only break it. Also, on the her shoe, why did it fall off? Are we sure Cinderella was
Bella, the princesses! Wave at them! Yay! Here they are! Wave! Yeah! They're the princesses! Yeah, she wasn't. What ride are we going on?
We're going to Prince Eric's castle. Wait, is he a prince?
Yeah, he is. Yeah.
Okay, we're going to Prince Eric's castle.
We're going to see the Little Mermaid? Yeah?
This is such a great story about how Ariel became with that Ursula. Oh, she's so mean. Underwater.
Look up there! Ariel!
We want the land for us to walk. Under the sea we have to hook. We
finished the Little Mermaid ride, and I think Isabella is saying Ursula is what? What's Ursula? She's mean, yeah. We didn't really like the Ursula part, right?
Oh my god.
But did you like seeing Ariel and Sarah? Yes or no? Oh, we spilled our water out. Now it's time for the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh. 30-minute wait time.
The east wind traded places with west wind.
Look at that.
He'll never reach that tree.
Why me? Why me? Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Roo.
Look, Mama, look. I'm a plane.
Everyone gathered together to say,
Is that fun? Did you like that? That was fun, right? Time for Dumbo. Dumbo the flying elephant. We are now on Dumbo the flying elephant, and Isabella is flying with Daddy today on the red Dumbo.
Dumbo fly higher and in the
Isabel loves Dumbo. You love Dumbo, right? Yeah.
What a great flight!
Yay! Whoa! We are now at Pinocchio's village house, and this is what I got. This is a margarita pizza. David got a margarita, no, he didn't get margarita, pepperoni pizza. And David just spilled water on him, and I've been doing that all day, so it must be a thing. Yeah, Isabella also did, and she's eating her pizza and some french fries right now. Have some milk, right? Yummy, right, Isabella? She has a little kid's meal. They give apple slices and milk, and yeah, it's really nice, actually. Good meal. Yeah.
For the 50th anniversary, we have 30 shots for free play here at the shooting gallery. You can test your luck.
We are now leaving Magic Kingdom. We didn't see the fireworks because, well, first number one is Isabella didn't take a nap all day. You on the monorail?
While you're on the monorail,
So we just went out to Walmart and Publix to get some things. Isabella is sleeping in the car right now. Hopefully she has an easy transfer, but now we are going through the Walt Disney World sign. We're going back in the bubble. The Walt Disney World bubble.
No stopping.
No, there's no stopping us. Oh. Yay, we're back in the bubble. Yeah, we're just gonna head back to the hotel room and